A full pint of Ben Jerry's Dirt Cake is 1,200 calories, 16 grams of protein, and 108 grams of sugar. That's half your daily calories in one sitting. So I rebuilt it so you can eat the entire pint for 450 calories, 44 grams of protein, and just 18 grams of sugar. Same flavor, a third of the damage. I'm going to show you how to make this one, cinnamon buns, and we're finishing off with triple caramel chunk. Let's get started. First up, dirt cake. Add in 1.5 cups of 2% ultra-filtered milk, 40% of the sugar, and double the protein versus regular milk. If you want less calories, use the fat-free version. 1 scoop or 31 grams of Optimum Nutrition's vanilla ice cream protein powder. This will provide the bulk of the protein in our ice cream, and I picked this one specifically because I find that's a good neutral flavor to make a bunch of different recipes, and it's something you could buy in bulk for a good deal at Costco. 2 teaspoons of 0-calorie sweetener. I'm using this one by Whole Earth. This will add sweetness to the pint for 0 calories. A tablespoon of 0-sugar vanilla pudding mix, and this is so we can get that vanilla pudding flavor in our base with no added sugar. And now for the secret weapon, the Terra gum. All you need is a 1/4 teaspoon. This is what makes the ice cream nice, thick, and creamy. It traps the water so it can't form big ice crystals, so don't skip it. And lastly, just a pinch of salt. And this isn't to make it salty, this will help bring out the flavor in the ice cream. And now we'll mix it up using an immersion blender. Any brand works fine, but I'll put the link in the description for this one right here. Mixes all ingredients really well and easy to clean. Definitely recommend. Once it's all mixed up, we'll put it in the freezer for 24 hours. For the mix-ins, we're using 2 Oreo Thins, and I'm going to scrape off the cream to save on some calories, and then I'll break them up into small pieces like this. And now for the dirt topping, we'll do the same thing, scrape the cream out so we can save on some calories. And now I'm using the back of a cup to smash the Oreos in the really small pieces. Now that we got that ready, we'll go ahead and spin the Creami. We'll first run it through some warm to hot water to make sure the sides aren't too icy, and now we'll drop it in the Creami and hit light ice cream setting. We'll take it out, put a hole in the middle, we'll drop in our Oreo Thins, put it back in the Creami, and hit mix in. So now we basically have a cookies and cream ice cream, but now we gotta make it dirt cake. So I'm gonna flatten the top using a spoon, and just a heads up, these are the 24-ounce pints, not the 16-ounce pints. So that's why the ice cream isn't closer to the top. Once the top's all flattened, I'm gonna add in some chocolate syrup. I'm using this hard shell one by Hershey's, and I'm only gonna use 1 teaspoon because there's a lot of calories in this. So it's not going to completely cover it, but you'll still get the hard shell and that chocolatey taste on top. And now we're going to add in some of the dirt or the finely crushed Oreos. And there you go. 451 calories and 44 grams of protein. Compare that to Ben & Jerry's version. Let's give the dirt cake a try. Overwhelming taste of Oreos and sweetness. Even though we did take out the cream, still very sweet. It's like cookies and cream, but you got that nice crunchiness up top. We didn't add a lot of the chocolate sauce because it's high in calories, but you still get some of that chocolatey taste up top too. This is good. Recipe number 2, cinnamon buns. Same base as the dirt cake, ultra-filtered milk, protein powder, and now we're going to add in a teaspoon of cinnamon sugar. This builds that warm bakery cinnamon roll flavor throughout the whole pint. We're using just 1 teaspoon, barely any calories, and a lot of flavor. Terra gum and some salt. Blend it up and freeze for 24 hours. Now for the mix-ins on this one, we're using 1 mini cinnamon bun. Since we are using a real cinnamon bun, this is very high in calories, so that's why I'm only using 1. I'm going to slice it up into smaller pieces, and once we have that prepared, we'll spin our base, light ice cream setting. We'll take it out and then drop in the cinnamon buns and mix in. Once it's all mixed up, you could optionally add some more cinnamon sugar to the top, and there you go. 420 calories and 45 grams of protein. Compare that to Ben & Jerry's version. Let's try the cinnamon buns. It's a nice warm cinnamon taste. Creamy ice cream. The cinnamon buns really get worked into the Creami, so I kind of get little hints of it as I'm taking some bites. But honestly, I think it tastes pretty good. Recipe 3, triple caramel chunk. Same milk, same protein powder, and now we'll be adding in a tablespoon of caramel syrup. I personally like the taste of the actual caramel syrup over a sugar-free or low-calorie syrup. So if you want fewer calories, go ahead and use that, but I'm using the real thing. Terra gum and a pinch of salt. Blend it up and freeze for 24 hours. Next day, light ice cream setting. And for the mix-ins, we're using these Rolos. We'll slice those up and drop them into the middle. Hit the mix-in button, and there you go. 421 calories and 44 grams of protein. Compare that to Ben & Jerry's version. Let's try out the triple caramel chunk. The Rolos are tasting really good. They got that crunchy outside and that creamy caramel inside. Base is good. You get the sweetness from the caramel syrup. This one's good.